Want to get rid of face and body hair without the pain? Try these amazing pain-free hair removal methods. If your skin has rejected all the traditional methods of hair removal, it's time to befriend these sandpaper pads. First, stick the pad to the handle grip. Then take the active surface of this pad and rub it in circular motions. The crystal surfaces in this sandpaper help rub away body and face hair, leaving your skin looking fresh and smooth. This method removes hair well, but the rough surface of the sandpaper may irritate sensitive skin, so follow up with a soothing post-hair removal lotion after. You've probably heard of hair removal creams, but did you know there's a speedier alternative to them? Hair removal sprays. Hair removal sprays contain a chemical that weakens body hair and eventually helps the hair come off. You just need to spray some on, wait the recommended amount of time, and wipe it off against your hair growth. Wash it off and pat dry. The downside to this is that they tend to smell bad and can irritate sensitive skin, so make sure to do a patch test first. Did you know these ancient stones made during volcanic eruptions can help you get rid of body hair? Start by softening your skin in warm water for a few minutes and then lather it with soap. Finally, rub a wet pumice stone around your skin in circular motions. Rub until your body hair begins to loosen up. This might not leave you completely hairless immediately, but consistent use will reduce hair growth over time. Tired of going through painful burns and ingrown hair every time you try to remove unwanted hair? Try using this papaya and turmeric mixture that has been used since ages to reduce hair growth. The papain in papaya breaks down hair follicles painlessly while turmeric loosens them up. Apply the paste to your face or body, let it dry, and then scrub in the opposite direction of your hair growth. You won't see instant results with this one, but it's totally natural, so be patient and your hair growth will reduce in the long run. Tired of red bumps and patches after waxing or threading facial hair? Switch to facial razors or even better, electric trimmers. They may seem scary but are super easy to use. Cleanse your face and then apply a thin layer of moisturizer to avoid irritation. Now shave in light and small strokes in the direction of your hair growth with the blade at a 45-degree angle. Wipe the blade on a toner-soaked cotton pad between sections of your face to avoid spreading bacteria. Once you're done, rinse, tone and moisturize. This not only removes facial hair but also exfoliates your skin, leaving it smooth and glowing.
The Glamrs giveaway is on and 3 lucky winners have a chance to win amazing beauty goodies curated by us at Glamrs. Here's all you need to do to participate in this giveaway. And here are last week's lucky winners. To find out if you've won, come back right here on YouTube next Monday.
Check out a few of our favorite hair removal videos here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Glamrs video. Make sure to also check out our amazing skincare products on glamrs.com or check the description box for a link. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.